Here are some tools that I love to use when making skincare products. A scale is a must because it gives you the exact measurements for a given recipe. If you work with the imperial system, best is to get a scale where you can switch between units. Grams are much more accurate than ounces. These glass measuring jugs are amazing not only for measuring, but they are super heat and shock resistant and are great for a smooth and steady pour. They come in different sizes and even have a lid that comes in handy when you need to store something. Especially for liquids, a great alternative for measuring are these different types of measuring spoons. I like to use them for small batches to measure fragrances, for example. Another liquid measuring possibility are these disposable plastic pipettes that come with milliliter markings on the sides. This is a cool tool if you don't have a scale or if you have to scoop something out of a container. A double boiler is my favorite heating method because of the gentle heat. You add water between the walls, so to speak, like you would do when melting chocolate. A lip balm tray is super practical if you want to make a larger batch, let's say, of 50 lip balms. You insert the lip balm tubes to the back and then you're ready to pour all lip balm tubes at once. An infrared thermometer comes in handy, not only for soap making. If you need to determine the pouring temperature, like for example for candles and waxes, or to be able to temper your ingredients, like to make sure that you don't exceed a flash point, for example. Silicone spatulas are great. I like the ones that come in one piece, so you never risk to lose an end. They also come in different sizes and styles. I always keep my spatula rest on my countertop to make my workflow really easy. These scoops are not only great for ice cream, but also to fill containers with sugar scrubs or to make bath truffles. As simple as it may seem, a fork is my favorite tool when mixing salts or citric acid with fragrances or micas. If you are making large quantities of whipped products like sugar scrubs or body butters, a stand mixer is a good investment. It doesn't have to be an expensive KitchenAid. Check out the links for a budget-friendly version in the description. My favorite tool for whipped products is a hand mixer. Opt for one with very sturdy whisks that won't break when trying to whip hard consistencies to start with. If you make creams and lotions, this machine is an amazing help. This one is really affordable and holds a 10 kilo batch. It comes with different nozzles, one of them really narrow to fit any tube opening. A dehumidifier is a must if you're making bath bombs, bath truffles or shower steamers, especially if you're living in a humid climate. This is an affordable version from Amazon and it does an amazing job in keeping humidity under control. These kitchen roll holders are great and make it easy while working. I keep one on every table along with bottles of rubbing alcohol so I can quickly clean a surface on the go or a piece of equipment. I love these trays to place your products or your molds on because you can move them around easily if you need space for something else. One of my basics is to keep my recipes in such a display in laminated form, so whenever you spill oils or water on it, you can easily wipe it clean. Another great tool is a soap workbook. I created one that is available on Amazon where you can add all the data to a particular soap session, like a worksheet. Details about the oils used in a recipe, amount of fragrance oil colorants in the respective supplier, as well as a space to enter your observations for future reference. If you're interested in other skincare DIY related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!